Hi there guys, welcome back to another update on Project Frontera, also known as Trevor, that's his proper name. If you've been watching the last couple of short videos, you'll see that I've been dropping the fuel tank in order to get to this, which is the fuel cradle which holds it into the car. So this is the big metal cradle. Fastens under the car with 4 bolts on the top of those brackets. It then's supposed to have 2 straps, a strap that runs from there to there and one from there to there. Now that one had broken ages ago. This one has broken when trying to get it off. But I'll show you the main issue is not the straps, which I can obviously replace. This is the main problem. Yep, that is just ever so slightly rotten. Now strangely, when it was all bolted on the car, it all seemed solid. You couldn't move the fuel tank, you know, it was all nice and solid, but it was probably all because of the bolts at that end and that little bit of metal there that was holding it. Obviously there was nothing holding it here, so over time it gradually would have quite rapidly broken that section, and then the tank would have just dropped from under the car, which is obviously a major safety concern. So I had been looking at it and thinking to myself, you know what, that doesn't look good. I'm going to have to get that sorted, because I'm currently trying to get it sorted to be able to get an MOT done on it. Now the plan was to have an MOT done this coming Friday. It's currently Sunday today, so the question is, can I get this sorted between now and next Friday? If I can't, then I'm going to have to put the MOT off until the following week, or whenever I manage to get this fixed. Now, one thing I was going to attempt to do was weld it and repair it myself, but as you can see, it's that rotten. I think it's a little bit beyond saving. I mean, I'm up for a challenge. I'm definitely up for a challenge, but I think I'd have a better chance of raising the Titanic and restoring that than I would try to fix this. But I might try and chop a bit back, grind it back, and see just how far it is before I reach any kind of solid metal. Because at the end of the day, I think I probably could repair it, because if I weld across from there to there, solid metal to solid metal, if there is any, and then patch it there and patch it there, patch it there, I think it is doable. But is it worth it? Is it worth it? Am I better off just getting a replacement? Now, I've asked on the Frontera Owners Club group on Facebook, and they've said to get one from a Trooper. It's not a direct fit, and because the bracket, one of the brackets is a bit different, and they've said it's obvious when you see it, but it's hard to describe until you've actually seen it. But once you see it, it's easy to figure out that you need to use one of the brackets off the Frontera and put it onto the Trooper carrier. But they say it's a much better design, and it'll do the job. You just have to use the thing, whichever side it is, to get the holes to line up. So that's one thing I'm going to have a look at. I'm going to have a look on eBay and whatever breakers, see if anybody's got a Trooper one. So there we go guys, so that's a little update for you. I've got it off the car, so success in that respect. I'm able to obviously see just how bad it is, and then I've got to make the decision now of what I'm going to do going forward. Repair this if I can, or just forget about this one, get this chucked in the scrap and get one from a Trooper and do the relevant modifications. So we'll see what happens. Alright then guys, well thanks again as ever for watching. I'll keep you updated with more updates. Obviously, as people know, I've got the Vectra GSI I'm working on. I've got my Manta, my Mark 2 cab over there called Sylvia, my Mark 2 cab on the drive there, Owen. There's also the Mark 1 cab, which you can't really see, or you can see it just through the bush there. You can see the blue through the bush there. There it is on the road. And obviously my Mark 2 cab convertible there, and my Nova at the back of the garage. So there's plenty of content for all you Vauxhall fans out there, and Opel. So stay tuned guys, please subscribe, click the notification bell. I appreciate all the support, and all you guys who are watching. Would be nice to get a few more subs and a few more watchers, but until that happens, I'll carry on doing my content for you guys who are watching on a regular basis, my regular viewers. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, guys. Bye.